I got 3 jars, shiny and new. One for save, one for spin, one for share with you. When I get my coins, I know just what to do. Oh, I give them a job, a special job to do. Save it, spend it, share it too. It's a simple little money rule. Save it, spend it, share it, it's true. There's a happy little job for every coin that's new. Jar number 1 is for waiting a while. S-A-V-E, it makes me smile. For a special toy or a treat down the road. Patience is the secret, it's a magical load. Patience! Spend it, share it too. It's a simple little money rule. Save it, spend it, share it, it's true. There's a happy little job for every coin that's new. My turn! Jar number 2 is for something I need. S-P-E-N-D, like a book or a seed. A little treat today, a little gift for me. I can choose right now, it's as easy as can be. Choose your turn, my turn, let's all do the money dance. La 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 la, save, la 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 la, spend, la 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 la, ooh. Jar number 3 makes my heart feel so big. S-H-A-R-E, do a generous jig. I can help a friend or give a gift that's kind. Sharing superpower, it's the best peace of mind. Give me 5! High five! Save it! Spend it, share it too. It's a simple little money rule. Yes, it is! Spend it, share it, it's true. There's a happy little job for every coin that's new. So remember your jars, my friend, and the happy jobs they do. Save, spend, and share with you. Bye!